Hello, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to take a look at this LED security light with 6000 lumens by Probrite. And it is motion activated, 6000 lumens using 45 watts. The color is 4000K. Here it says that it can be turned on dusk till dawn or with the switch controlled. So let's take a look. This is the angle that the light shows. Here are the instructions. The installation is probably easy, just like any other light fixture if you have already changed one. If you have any questions, the tools that you might need. Where to install it, how to install it, and the functions. There it is. It has a very nice look. As you can see, the LEDs are in here, and it has a very nice shape, and it has a matte white finish. This feels like metal. And here is a sensor for the motion. Here are the controls. Dusk till dawn. If you want to test it, 1 minute, 2 minutes, all the way to 10 minutes. From 10 feet all the way to 50 feet. Here are the cables that you need to wire. And here is the hardware you need so you can install it. I like the way it looks. The installation is fairly easy. Just put this in your junction box. Then the screw goes through here to this part. And here is the screw. That's it. This can be installed inside or outside, depending on your needs. So that's what it looks like. I like that it's super bright, so it only uses 45 watts, and I really like that. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.